The Galaxy S25 series just launched in January, but rumors about the Galaxy S26 Ultra are already gaining attention. Samsung's next premium flagship is expected to arrive next year, and early leaks suggest both exciting upgrades and potential trade-offs. If these rumors hold true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could see improvements in battery life, camera technology, and even the return of a fan-favorite feature. One of the biggest changes being discussed is the possible removal of one of the rear cameras. Current Galaxy Ultra models have 4 rear cameras, but reports suggest that the Galaxy S26 Ultra prototype being tested has only 3. This setup is said to include a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 200-megapixel 4x optical zoom camera. The missing lens could be the periscope zoom sensor, but it might not be a big loss if Samsung implements a rumored feature: variable aperture on the main sensor. This would allow the camera to adjust its aperture based on lighting conditions, potentially reducing the need for an additional zoom lens. While some users may be concerned about the missing 4th camera, Samsung could justify this change with a significant upgrade in battery life. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to feature a 5,500 mAh battery, an improvement over the 5,000 mAh capacity that has been standard in recent Ultra models. Samsung is reportedly using stacked battery technology, which allows for higher capacity without making the device thicker. This is a much-needed upgrade, especially as rival brands like Vivo, OnePlus, Oppo, and Honor have already introduced flagship smartphones with batteries exceeding 6,000 mAh. Battery life has been a weak point for Samsung's Ultra models compared to some competitors, so a bigger battery could make the Galaxy S26 Ultra more appealing. With stacked battery technology, the phone could offer longer screen-on time and better efficiency, without sacrificing the slim design that Samsung is known for. If this leak is accurate, it could be one of the most significant battery upgrades Samsung has made in years. Another interesting rumor is the possible return of Bluetooth support for the S Pen. The Galaxy S25 Ultra removed this feature, which disappointed many users who relied on Bluetooth for remote controls and air gestures. Now, leaks suggest that the Galaxy S26 Ultra prototype includes an S Pen with Bluetooth functionality again. While this isn't confirmed yet, bringing back Bluetooth support would be a smart move, especially for users who use the S Pen for presentations, media controls, or taking remote photos. With all these rumored changes, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could offer a more refined experience. A bigger battery and improved camera system would make it a strong competitor in the flagship smartphone market. However, the decision to reduce the number of rear cameras might be controversial. If Samsung successfully implements variable aperture technology, it could make up for the missing lens, but some users may still prefer having a dedicated periscope zoom sensor. Samsung is still in the early testing phase, so these leaks should be taken with caution. The final version of the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be different, depending on how well these new features perform in testing. Samsung has always experimented with various prototypes before deciding on the final design, so it's possible that some of these rumored changes may not make it into the finished product. Would you be excited about a Galaxy S26 Ultra with a bigger battery and fewer cameras? Do you think removing a lens is a smart move if it improves other aspects of the phone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.